Valencia up against Sterling on that side. As Young goes down the left-hand side, 3 to aim at in the centre. Young, useful ball in, and it's turned away. What a terrific chance for United.
The ball behind him and couldn't get his shot away. It's a great...
Well, it is Gerrard for Liverpool. He goes for the little chip, looking for Henderson. It drops for him, and he heads a good chance over the top.
Oh, I thought he was going to shoot there and a little chip in. Looking for Henderson. Chicharito got in the way but didn't clear it. Oh, that's a chance.
Sterling gets in behind. Sterling, it's a bit of a lunge from Jones. Penalty kick. Jones puts his head in.
But he's caught him. You can see it here. Oh, he's got nowhere near the ball, Jones. Nowhere near.
Gerrard against De Gea. It's Gerrard's. Never in doubt. Tucks it into the corner, and first blood to Liverpool.
Caught him, and he thinks he might have dived a little bit, but I don't. I think he's caught him. No chance for the goalkeeper, apparently.
United not getting it clear in that effort. Half away, and United in the end give away a corner and get out of jail. David De Gea called into action again.
Terrific save by the goalkeeper. And he's hit that well, Coutinho, hasn't he? Just created a little bit of space and bang. That's a terrific save. United desperate to get it away for a corner.
This will give us a good view. Yeah, really good. Or will it be Wayne Rooney? It is Wayne Rooney, straight into the wall. And now maybe there's a Liverpool break on. It's snappier now from United. Shaw, Mata, turns! The game has turned on its head in a...
Shows that one that gets the ball into the box. Good pass. But he seems to get a lot of time, Mata. Look up there looking, nobody marking him. Oh, it took a little deflection, Stuart. It took a little deflection. I think that's what beat the goalkeeper more than anything. We didn't notice that early on. Yeah, it takes the deflection.
Come off Sacco, and that was enough to beat Mignolet.
We'll take it. Will we take it?
Herrera. Henderson sticking close to him, and he finds Chicharito. Chicharito's ball in. Here's Rooney! Fabulous! 1-1. What a cross from Chicharito, and Wayne...
Absolutely fantastic pass. But the early ball in, and Wayne's alive. Oh, that's a great touch by Wayne. United need that, Stuart. Liverpool have been the better team up to now, and United needed that. Yeah, well done, Wayne. Great ball in.